Now let's solve number 6. Now, A. Here I want to find logarithm to the base 10 of 1000. So what I have to do here?
Change
Now,
the
10,
0.001.
yeah, 10 to the power x is 0.001. Now then, I want to write 0.001 as 10 to the power something. And all of us know that it is 1 over 1000. So 1 over, so it is 1. So it is 1 over 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power negative 3. So I can write 0.001 as 10 to the power negative 3. So come back here now. 10 to the power x is 10 to the power negative 3. So x equal negative 3. So the first one here, logarithm to the base 10 of 0.001 is negative 3. Now B. In B here, we have want to find logarithm to the base 10 of 10 to the power 4 will be
4.
4. Bravo, because 10 cancel 10, so it is 4. Now, ln e cubic is ln cancel e, so it's 3.
3.
And ln d, ln square root of e, here that's mean ln e to the power half. ln cancel e, so it is half. Do you have any question?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's start now with solving equations involving exponents and logarithm. The first one here for the algebraic properties of logarithm. Logarithm to the base b of a times c will be logarithm of b to the base a plus logarithm of b to the base c. هلا, we remembered in if we have like x to the power 5, we said that it is x squared times x to the power 3. Because we have the same base, so we add the exponents. Here we have different thing. Here with the logarithm, if we have a times c, it is logarithm a plus logarithm c. If we have a logarithm of a over c, that means the logarithm of a minus the logarithm of c. And if we have logarithm a to the power r, we write it or we expand it as r logarithm to the base b of a and logarithm of 1 over c. This one we can write it as c to the power negative 1. So it's negative 1 logarithm c using the previous one. So if they are multiplied, the product property, logarithm a times c, if they are multiplied, when I expand them, they are added. If they are divided, when I expand them, it will be subtracted. A to the power r, That's mean I will put r outside times the logarithm, and logarithm 1 over c, it will be negative logarithm c. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Let's now use them, apply these properties here. Expand the logarithm in terms of sum, difference, and multipliers of simpler logarithm. Now, if I told you expand, what you have to do? Here, look at the first one. We have logarithm x times y. On the numerator, we have x times y. And we said for the product probability, we write it as logarithm x plus logarithm y to the power 5. Using this one here. A times c is a plus c. So x times y is x plus y. Then a over c is logarithm a minus logarithm c. So that's mean minus logarithm square root of z. This is the first step. Then logarithm x, it is simplified. Keep it as it is. Plus logarithm y to the power 5. What did we say here? A to the power r is 5 logarithm to the base b of a. Yeah, like I take the power and put it outside. So here we have to say it is 5 logarithm y minus square root of z. We can write it as z to the power half. So minus half logarithm z. This is now how can we expand the logarithm. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher. Yes.
Okay. So now here, don't forget please that if you have logarithm u plus v, don't say it is u plus logarithm of u plus logarithm of v. Now I mean that the logarithm will not be distributed. Like logarithm here, as you see, if you have logarithm of u plus v, it's not equal to logarithm of u plus logarithm of v. Be careful, but if they are multiplied, I will say it's logarithm of a plus logarithm of c. Let's now have another examples. Now, when I told you now here, rewrite the expression as a single logarithm, here you have to do the opposite. Here it's already expanded, and I want you to write it as a single logarithm. Here they are single, and here you want to expand them. In this one, they are expanded. You want to write them as a single logarithm. So, 5 logarithm 2. What does it mean?
Log 2 to the power 5.
It is 2 to the power 5. Now, plus 3, that means it is times 3. Minus logarithm 8, that means it's divided by 8. Two to the power 5, it's 32 times 3 over 8. So the answer here is 12. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Here
Yes.
it is
Yes.
expanded. You want to write it as a single logarithm. Let's have another example. 1 over 3 ln x minus ln x squared minus 1 plus 2 ln x plus 3. Now, third ln x to the power 3. What does it mean? it's mean x power 1/3 minus يعني divide ln of x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 1 plus multiply ln or 2 ln x plus 3. That's mean it is x plus 3 squared. So here they are like 1/3 ln of x. And here you have to write ln of x over 1/3 or divided by x squared minus 1 times x plus 3 squared. This is now how to rewrite it as a simple or as a single natural logarithm function. Let's have now another example. Now expand the logarithm in terms of sums, differences, and multiplies of simpler logarithm. Here we have to expand. They are single. I want to expand them. Yalla, what we have to do? Let's solve A11A. Logarithm 10 times x times square root of x minus 3. It is logarithm of 10 plus logarithm of x plus logarithm of square root of x minus 3. Then logarithm to the base 10 of 10 is 1 plus logarithm x plus. Now x minus 3, I can rewrite it as
X minus 3 to the power half.
yeah, so it will be plus half logarithm of x minus 3. Now let's solve B. ln of x squared sine cubic x over square root of x squared plus 1. It will be ln of x squared plus ln of sine cubic of x minus ln of square root of x squared plus 1. Now ln of x squared, that's mean it is 2 ln of x plus 3 ln of sine x minus half ln of x squared plus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now I want you to solve 12A. Now try to solve it. I give you 1 minute and send me the answer on the chat. I'm waiting you.
Teacher, can you wait 1 minute only?
Okay.
Teacher, I sent it by mistake. It's not completed.
I finished it.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, let's solve now 12a. Logarithm cubic root of x plus 2 over cosine 5x. Here, we write it as 1 over 3 logarithm of x plus 2 minus logarithm cosine 5x. Now, don't put 5 outside because 5 is not an exponent. And also don't expand it because it is cosine of 5x. It's not cosine multiplied by 5x. So this is the correct answer. Let's see what else. Thank you, Lana. And Darin. You solved it correctly. And now, yeah, welcome. Now let's solve B. ln of square root of x squared plus 1 over x cubic plus 5. Here we have ln of x squared plus 1 minus ln of x cubic plus 5 and then are multiplied by half. So it is half ln of x squared plus 1 minus half of ln x cubic plus 5. Yes, Malak. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now our period is finished. Yeah. Oh, let's solve 13. We have 1 minute left only. Let's solve number 13 here. In number 13, we have 4 logarithm 2. So it's mean 2 to the power 4. Minus logarithm 3, that's mean divide by 3. Plus logarithm of 16, that's mean plus times 16. So it is 32 times 16 over 3. This is the final answer here. Let's find it here. 32 times 16 over 3 is 170.66. This will be number 13. Now, inshallah, on next Sunday, we will